Hey, it's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer. We are in a very special location today. Kevin, where are we at?
We're in Gilbert, Arizona.
All right, before heading to the house, Kevin, let's talk about this downtown Gilbert area specifically. This place is blowing up over the last few years. Millions of dollars have been spent on what exactly?
Revitalization. Do you remember when downtown used to be just like Joe's Barbecue, a diner, and I think a used furniture store?
And an Allstate office.
Yes, that's about it. Well, it's absolutely exploded. There's a bunch of restaurants, there's bars, there's coffee shops, parks, just a lot going on down here. They definitely just spent the money wisely.
And one of the major expenses, which I think was very smart, was the parking garages themselves, because back, a few years ago, when you came to downtown Gilbert, it was really impossible to park.
Yeah, we would have had a hard time. This is a Friday night when we're recording this, and we would have had a hard time if it wasn't for the fact there are a couple parking garages here. We were able to find spots in the parking lot only because people were leaving. Otherwise, we would have been, out of luck.
All right, Kevin, let's talk about the top 4 restaurants they have to visit if you're in downtown Gilbert. Let's start with number 1.
Joe's Barbecue. It's a establishment. It's an icon of Gilbert. They definitely need to go there. I'm taking my family there. Good old-fashioned barbecue.
Locally owned as well, and they also have Joe's Farm Grill in Gilbert, Arizona as well. All right, restaurant number 2, Kevin.
I would say Oregano's. To me, it just brings back good memories of when we decided to take our real estate company to the next level and explode it like it did. And I think a lot of families and friends can just make a lot of good memories like we did there. So I definitely recommend them. Good Italian restaurant.
Restaurant number 3.
You want Mexican? You definitely need to go to Queen Barrio. Now, we've been there a few times, take my family there as well. They got this thing where they give you the bowls with the chips and the endless salsa, and then you get your meal and you're not hungry anymore, and your burrito's like the size of your face.
Well, that and their homemade guacamole is to die for.
It's absolutely incredible. It's not expensive. It's within anybody's budget. Absolutely recommend that one.
And restaurant number 4, Kevin, what do we have?
One of the newest ones to downtown is Culinary Dropout. They have a couple locations here in the valley. Absolutely incredible food, great for casual dining or have an office meeting, whatever. It works any occasion. Absolutely love it. I didn't feel it was expensive either. Definitely recommend that one.
Nice. And then if you have a sweet tooth, can we give them somewhere bonus to go if they're in downtown Gilbert?
Well, there's a candy shop, close by.
And the nice part about that candy shop is that they have a lot of old school candy that they sell there. So you're talking about bazooka gum, you're talking about gummy worms, you're talking about a lot of the Laffy Taffy stuff that we grew up with. It's all there.
And it's all good for you.
We are finally here at the house. Before heading in, let's tell them the address, Kevin.
It's 821 South Fern Court in Gilbert, Arizona in Neely Commons.
We are inside, Kevin. Let's talk specs.
This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, single story, 2-car garage with 1,893 square feet.
Which is really interesting because it's pretty rare within this square footage to get that 3rd full bathroom. All right, I have a ton of stuff that I need to store. Why is this kitchen so cool?
Well, you've got the built-in pantry. It's basically a wall of pantry on this and plenty of other storage as well. We also have the stainless steel appliances, the upgraded flooring, the upgraded fixtures as well.
Another nice part about the kitchen is that it does feel open. It kind of opens up to the family room, but it does not feel closed in or anything like that.
Correct.
All right, let's talk about some of the upgrades. They have the benefit of using you, helping them purchase the property. What are some of the upgrades they've done to it since then?
Yes, way back in the day, they did paint throughout. So definitely fixed the paint color in here. It's more the modern gray tones, as well as the flooring. They upgraded all the flooring, and this is not cheap flooring. This is that plank that is so in style.
Yep, and just like you said, it's way higher than the laminate when it comes to the flooring because it is the actual tile.
It is. It's several thousands of dollars more. This is not a cheap upgrade.
Now, as far as the flooring goes and the paint, that was nice, but what about the bathrooms?
Ooh. Well, they didn't just do 1 bathroom. They didn't just do 2 bathrooms. They did all 3 bathrooms. They've all been remodeled. I'm sure our videographer will scroll through some photos right now, but I want to point out the beautiful tile work. And in the master bathroom, it's got the pedestal style cabinet look with the double sinks, and it just ties in nicely with the tile of the separate shower and tub area.
Nice. We're talking about the yard. Pretty decent sized yard.
It is. It's 6,868 square feet. It is a cul-de-sac lot. So if you want to go further than this, you can't.
Right.
Because the street ends. It's a cul-de-sac lot.
And as far as the actual yard space goes, mature landscaping and plenty of room to do other stuff.
There is. If this yard does not meet what you want, you can make lemonade out of lemons. See what I did there? It is big enough to add a pool,
Yep.
add a playground, artificial turf. It's all ready to go.
And then last but not least, it's very private and you just feel very relaxed back here.
You do. Can we mention one more thing before we head back out?
Sure.
We have a brand new AC unit on this property as well.
Oh, okay.
Yep. You can see it from the backyard over there. That's going to be energy efficient, definitely going to help out the new homeowner.
Now, I've heard in Arizona that's a big deal.
Just a little bit of a big deal since you need it basically 10 months of the year.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
All right, Kevin, if they want to set up a showing on this Gilbert home, what do they do?
We make it super simple for them. They can call 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.